So today we're going to show you guys how to do some routine maintenance on your CMC spider lift. In this case, this one's on an 83 HD. A little bit of walkthrough on how to pull out the pins for your outrigger lock position and then get them cleaned up, clean up the holes inside there, and make it easier to pull and set the outriggers in different positions. So first thing we're going to do, need a 6mm Allen wrench, and then go ahead and go around and remove the locking bolt from all of them on every side. And once you got that bolt removed, pull up on that bad boy and just take it completely out. And you can see on this particular one, that thing is quite rusty. So we're going to do the same thing in all four corners. So we have the pins ready to go, and we'll show you how to clean them up. So now you see I got all four of the pins out, and they vary in not as rusty to really rusty, and then get a bunch of gunk buildup also in this hole as well. Then on the machine itself, we're going to swing the outrigger open, and then that'll get us access to the hole that's in the frame of the machine, so we can clean out the rust in there as well. First part of cleaning out the holes when we do it here is we are going to make sure there's no debris in there before we stick any sanding tools inside the holes. So we throw a pan down on the ground, you can see there, put on some safety glasses, and then just grab a can of your standard brake clean and blast the holes out. So now we're going to take our handy dandy right angle die grinder with flap wheel and clean all the rust out inside both those holes. Now we got everything sanded out here. We're going to go ahead and hit it with some brake clean and wash all that crap out. All right, now to clean up the pins, we're going to take our 3M Scotch-Brite pads. I usually just put the pin into a vise, and we're going to go back and forth on it and clean the rust off. You'll see it doesn't take much effort for that to start cleaning up. We'll kind of give it a good rub down. So just with the 3M pad, I'm going to show you the difference. That gets most of the rust off, but with most of that off, the thing already is starting to slide like butter. We're going to clean it up just a little bit more to get rid of the really rough pitted spots on our wire wheel. There you go, nice and clean. So now we got our pin all set and ready to go. We're going to want to pre-lubricate the holes on here before we stick the pin back in. A lot of different choices for this, really just depends on your climate, location, what you want to use. We really don't like to put grease in anywhere that could attract dirt and cause things to stick up and bind. So in this case, we use a little bit of anti-seize. Put it in the holes, brush it in there, just a thin layer, and then that'll keep this pin from sticking. All right, got everything back together and installed, operating nice and buttery smooth. Don't forget to check us out on the web, wellbuiltequipment.com, or you can find us on socials at Area Lift Repairs.